I'm going to start our next lesson, that is we will study about present perfect continuous, and that is very easy tense in English. It has only one use. It has only one condition where we can use this tense, and that use is if some actions starts in the past and is still continuing, we will use this tense. Yesterday I have taught you about present perfect tense, and there was one of the use where I have told you that we can use present perfect tense when an action start in the past and is still continuing. It is true, but here in about this tense also we can use this tense. We use this tense for an action which starts in past and is still continuing. So this tense is has only one use, means the action start in the past and is still continuing. So let's see the first the structure of this sentence. What is the structure of the sentence? The structure of the sentence is very easy. You have to find them by the name of the tense. So present perfect, what verb form we use in present perfect? We use have, has plus verb third form. So here has or have, so we have taken the helping verb as has and have, and the other helping verb would be so we need verb third form. So for third form we will have. Remember what we use in continuous tense. We use in continuous tense verb be. So if we are going to use be after has or have, then we will have to use it in third form. So we will use it in third form, been. And next would be verb in ing form. Verb first form plus ing, and then we have to mention time when the verb starts, or the period how long the action has going on. So here the structure would be subject plus has, have, been plus verb ki first form, and then we will mention point of time or period of time. Let me give an example so that it can be clear. So first example is I have been using this mobile for 2 years. For 2 years I have been using this mobile phone for 2 years. The question arises, how long? How long? And the answer is for 2 years. Let's see one more example. He has been reading this book since 9 a.m. So here what was the point of time? How long? is the question. How long? Let's analyze the sentence. So first here it is the subject, then the helping verb would be has, have plus been, has, have, been, and the first form of the verb use plus ing, using. This mobile is the object, and here we have mentioned the time for 2 years. In the next sentence I have used he has been reading this book, and now the time is mentioned here since 9 a.m. So what is the difference between since and for? We will discuss about this. So for is used for period of time. Period you can count them in numbers. So if we can count them in numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, anything which we can count in number, they are called period. Means there are many type of period. We can categorize it into second, minutes, hour, days, years, months, decades, centuries. So if these words are here, means they are periods. We can say that 2 months, or we can say 15 days. So these are the periods, means second, minutes, hours, days, week, month, they are periods. So if the periods are used and we can count them by number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then we will use for before that period of time. So it is called period of time. In next sentence I have used since because it is showing a point of time. 9 a.m. is a point when the work start. Here 9 a.m. is point, means when the work has started. The work has started at 9 a.m. and it might be 10 a.m., 11 a.m. this time. Currently this time would might be 11 a.m. or 12 a.m. or 1 p.m., 2 p.m. So this was a point of time. 9 a.m. was a point of time when the work has started. It is still continuing. He has been reading, means the reading of this book, the action of reading this book has started at the point of time, at the 9 a.m. It is the point of time and is still continuing. ये अभी भी जारी है. In this situation we will use this tense, that is called present perfect continuous tense. So if we have to make them negative, we have to add one word, that is called not, to make it negative between the helping verb have, has and been. So here we have to add not. Here we have to add not between has and have, has or have, and been. So let's see one example. She has. So I told you that we have to use not between has, have and been. So I will use here not. She has not been playing since morning. And now the morning is a point of time, means the when the work has started. The work has started at morning, in the morning. So it is a point of time. So we have used here since. So see the structure, she has, and we have put not between has and between. to make it negative. So if you want to make them question, you have to shift has and have before the subject. You have to shift has or have before the subject. Only has and have, not all the helping verbs. You have to put has or have before the subject to make them question. So let's see, if I say it like this: has she been playing since morning? Now it is one of question. Has she been playing since morning? If we have another question word, then we will add that question word before that helping verb, has or have. So we can say, what have you been doing for 2 hours? So we have asked a question, what have you been doing for 2 hours? So here a question word come before the helping verb has. We have made it a question. So I hope now you have understood what is the structure of this sentence. The structure of this sentence, let me repeat once again. You have to have subject has or have plus been plus first form of the verb ing. If you forgot sometime in future, then you have to remember by the name of the tense, that in present perfect tense we use has and have plus third form of the verb. So it is present perfect tense. It is present perfect tense, and we use verb first form in ing, so it is in continuous tense. So you will remember the structure of the tense. To make them negative, you have to add not after the first helping verb. Remember, if you have more than one helping verb, then you have to add not after the first helping verb. And if you want to make question and you have more than one helping verb, then you have to put first helping verb before the subject. That's very easy. So I hope you have understood now. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.